Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to place this glass on your Android mobile phones. When you will get this packs and you will get two pouches with I am removing I am using this brand new mobile phone, and these are two papers for wet cleaning and dry cleaning. If you require this, then you can use this. This is for dry cleaning as already written on this, and this green one is for wet cleaning. If your mobile phone is old, but I am using the brand new mobile phone, so not required for me. You can see this type of papers are inside this. Okay, now we will place this glass on your mobile phones. We'll see how you place, and let's start. Now you have to adjust this on your mobile phone screen by there is one paper is pasted on this glass. Keep this paper on below side and adjust. You can see I am adjusting this on my screen. Now if this is adjusted, then you need one tape. So I'm using this cello tape. Sometimes the company provides piece of tapes with their this glass covers, but I am using this cello tape. You can use this cello tape also. Place this at the bottom, and so that the glass not can adjust. Just fix it. Once your glass is adjusted, just fix it toward back side. You can see I am pasting this cello tape, and you need one more cello tape and place on the other side. As you can see, I am doing the same. Make sure the adjustment should not move. Okay, this job is over. Now you can see I am pasted two cello tapes at the bottoms. Now pick up with the help of this pasted paper and remove the cover from back side. As you can see in this video, remove by pulling this this should be removed. If not removed, then try again and place again and try again. These two papers should be separated. Now you can see this start separating from the original glass. This paper is start separating. Separate it completely and keep away. Now by holding from the sides of the glass, as I am doing, just place this glass on your mobile phones. Now you can see, just adjust before placing. Adjust each everything. Once you place, you will not able to adjust. So now you can see I have placed. Now just press on the corners and in the centers slightly. Just once your adjustment is completed, you can see the adjustment is completed. Hope friends you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.